Hello viewer, it's an image we are going to edit. So let's make an edition. It's the hue and saturation, lightness there. Change the style of the layer. Then we will apply the paint around it. Make a 3D design. It's a head design. We will wait for the moment. So it's printed on the head design. There it is. We can change the color from there.